the Ruko U11MINI 4K.
What makes it special?
It weighs under 249 grams, so no FAA registration needed.
It looks really sleek too.
Yeah, also comes with everything you need. And it has powerful sensors that can capture 48 megapixel photos with natural colors. It shoots super crisp 4K video with 5x zoom and portrait landscape modes.
Sounds fancy. Is it beginner friendly?
Totally. It has 4 beginner-friendly systems. GPS can track the drone's location. Altitude hold tells it how high it is. TOF helps it stay stable when flying low. And optical flow keeps it steady even without GPS.
Sounds really safe. I want to try it.
Just use the one-tap takeoff. Then you can set the return point anytime.
That's convenient. How long can it fly?
It comes with 3 batteries, 96 minutes total. With Ruko Tech, you can fly up to 20,000 feet.
Wow! Is the charging time long?
Of course not. It supports PD3 fast charging and charges all 3 batteries at once.
Is that safe?
Yep, it has overcharge protection. Totally safe.
What if I lose it while flying?
No worries. GPS and alerts can help you find it fast.
Then I can totally handle it.
For sure. It can easily fly through trees or tight spaces. Ruko U11MINI 4K, your first pocket aerial drone. That's the Ruko U11MINI 4K.